you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter, third sound of vowel A. Okay, let's just start now this chapter. Speak aloud. For example, A. A की sound पढ़ेंगे जैसे B-A-T, bat. And next, M-A-T, mat. C-A-P, cap. B-A-G, bag. T-A-G, tag. And W-A-G, wag. Okay. अब इनमें A-D ऐड करना है. जैसे B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, head. M-A-D, mad. S-A-D, sad. L-A-D, lad. Next है A-M. D-A-M, dam. H-A-M, ham. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. T-A-M, tam. And Y-A-M, yam. Okay. Next है A-N add करना है. Example, C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, rain. V-A-N, van. Okay. Next है A-P. A-P, C-A-P, cap. L-A-P, lap. T-A-P, tap. And G-A-P, gap. N-A-P, nap. S-A-P, sap. Okay. Next है A-T. A-T ऐड करना है. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. Okay. Then kids, this chapter sound A is completed. Okay. I hope that you understood well. Thank you.